Welcome to Wednesday, the best Wednesday since last Wednesday. It is our third day of Make-A-Wish Week, and we are so thankful for all of your contributions. Tomorrow, our dress-up day is Game Day Dad or Soccer Mom Day, so go all out for that. So far, we have raised $248 from our Wild West duels, so continue to vote for that. But in the meantime, here are your first Wild West champions.
Let's have it out.
Whoever wins makes dinner.
All right.
And does the laundry.
Finally something decent to eat.
Mr. Hildy's making dinner tonight. We're having tacos.
Only thing I can make.
I challenge you to shootout then. 3 misses, 3 strikes, you're off the court.
You got it. Let's do this. Nice close. You got that.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
For the record, I've never missed this shot before. So probably do it with my eyes closed.
Try it. Guess there's only one Marshall in this town, and it's not you. Give me the ball. You're
You
out.
got lucky this time, sister. Next time, please.
Next time we play in Burlington, what?
Next time, you won't be so lucky. That's all I'm saying.
I hear you're the best scooter racer in the purple pod.
Competition wasn't too stiff, but I'm ready to take on the green pod racer.
I am the champion of the green pod, and I am here to see the best in the West.
I'll meet you in the gym at 5:30 tonight.
It's on.
It's on. Showdown in the gym.
Just a reminder that we have raffle tickets available in the office for Sophie and my parking spots. It's $5 per ticket, and winners will be announced tomorrow. Our minute to win it will begin shortly.